Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change IP address on your Xfinity router. So whether you're dealing with a network conflict or looking for a bit more privacy, changing IP on an Xfinity gateway is a bit different this year. Most people get confused between their local network address and their public internet address. So let us figure out how to update both quickly in under 2 minutes. Alright, so if you need to change your router's internal address, like switching from the default address, which is this one, 10.0001, to something else, you need to open up your Xfinity app, go to Wi-Fi, then View Equipment, Advanced Settings, and toggle Admin Tool Access to On. And then open a browser and go to that same address I've just shown and log in with admin and your custom password. After that, go to Gateway, Connection, Local IP Network, and uncheck Enable DHCP, and then change your gateway address, and then set a new DHCP range to match. Hit Save, and your router will reboot with its new identity. And now for the public IP. So Xfinity uses dynamic IPs, meaning they assign them automatically. And the quick fix: unplug your gateway's power for at least 10 full minutes. When you plug it back in, the network often assigns you a new lease. And if that doesn't work, you'll need to bridge mode your gateway and connect your own router. And by cloning a different MAC address on your personal router, you force Xfinity's system to issue a brand new public IP instantly. New IP, new start. If this guide helped you clear up your connection issues, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.